This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Garner Police Department is searching for Grecia Salome Alejandro Benitez. She is a 13-month-old Hispanic female, approximately 2 feet, 0 inches tall, weighing 26 pounds. She has brown hair, brown eyes. She was last seen wearing pink pajama shirt, red and yellow striped pajama pants. She was abducted along with her mother, Alondra Michelle Benitez de Jesus. The 3 abductors are described as 2 Hispanic males with no other description given and a Hispanic female described as short and stocky with black curly hair. They were last seen traveling in a black Nissan Altima, license plate unknown. If you have any information regarding this abduction, contact the Garner Police Department at 919-772-8810 or call 9-1-1.